Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with my September Artymaze and a Tattered Dream Design Team journal. And thank you all for coming along on the journey of making this journal with me. I have wrapped up the journal in this beautiful doily that I received in Happy Mail. Have this fun little vintage tag on it and just a little bow. So we're just gonna open it up and take a look at the finished. You've been with me for most of it, but I did add a few things after finishing the last filming. So of course we have some dangles on the edge. We have some charms on the bottom. We've got a little pearl and just some little blingy, a key and a bow and just some little things that said Shabby Chic to me. So I have used in this journal Shabby Chic and Victorian children kits from Artymaze. And then various things from A Tattered Dream, which I will point out as we go through the journal. So of course we've got the quilted cover. The laces on the edge, the blue and the pink, are from A Tattered Dream. And my attached charms on the edge are attached with bulb pins from A Tattered Dream. So in we go, and here's the inside doily. So we have doilies inside and outside. Doilies for days. So here's the first beautiful Artymaze digital, and then we've put this book belongs to on there, layered up. And I say we because you guys have been along with me on this. This is the edge trim that we created, the snippet edge trim on some vintage wallpaper. And then we've got one of the pockets from Artymaze. In there I've got vintage postcard. I've got a vellum tag with fluff from A Tattered Dream, the pink fluff. I love it. It's kind of reminds me of cotton candy. And then we edge punched some of the digitals there. And then here, this is one of the Artymaze tags from the kit. And I just made a pocket out of it and have one of my eco-dyed file folders just tucked in there. Like that. Again, this is the trim and bulb pin from A Tattered Dream. And over on this side, we've got a flip here with altered paper clip that's on one of the merchandise tags from A Tattered Dream. And then in the pocket, we've got an envelope from the kit. We've got a little pad of paper that we made. And we've got one of the tags from the kit. We've got the infamous decoupaged doily from A Tattered Dream. Yes, I had my struggles with that, but in the end it turned out just great. So I'm real happy with it. So this is one of the doilies that's got the embossed flowers on it from A Tattered Dream. Here is a lace flip on the lined background paper. This is from A Tattered Dream as well. I did some extra stenciling after we did our last time together. And then this is one of the bags from A Tattered Dream that we put some images from the kit on and then put a little tag in there. This yarn is also from A Tattered Dream. So that is all kind of done up with images from Artymaze. So very fun. This page I did after we were done crafting together. I had a little strip of vellum left, so I put that along this flip out and put one of the tags. This is trim from A Tattered Dream. And just tucked her in there. She's kind of peeking around the edge. Here's a sack from A Tattered Dream, and we put one of the tags from Artymaze. This is yarn again from A Tattered Dream and lace. And then here's one of the postcards from the Vintage Children's Kit with a tab, and just have tucked that inside the bag like so. Here's a flip out. This is one of the bookmarks from the kit, and I've put some trim from A Tattered Dream on there. And on this side, again, a tag. This lace, this little trim here, and then this yarn is all from A Tattered Dream. Here's an envelope from the kit, and we did lines on those with corrugated cardboard. Did that in various places in the journal. The vellum, we went ahead and punched that as well. We did just another little snippet decoration for this pocket, and I just tucked in there one of the ball jars, which can be opened for journaling in there. Here's the middle. We tucked in an envelope with, it's got an insert in it as well. And then on this side, we've got this pretty lady who's lined on the back. And on this side, we have the little tags that were my oopsie fix. Always seem to have one of those. And then the trim on those is from A Tattered Dream as well. I will link Artymaze and A Tattered Dream below the video, and I hope you'll go check them out and have yourself a little shop. This is the fabric clusters that I made. I just made a little pocket out of this one, and we've just got an envelope in there. Oops. An envelope, one of the journaling cards from the kit, and a vintage playing card tucked in there. Here's the other side of the bag with yet some more trim from A Tattered Dream and a postcard from the Vintage Children's Kit with one of the tabs from, I think the tab is from the Shabby Chic kit. This is an altered time card from A Tattered Dream. We've got paper cluster here, couple of the digitals from the kits, and then this little butterfly comes from the kit. Then we've got tickets and tags and this heart, all from Artymaze's kits. So there we go there. Here's a snippet belly band where I've tucked in a journaling card and an envelope from the Shabby Chic kit. This is an altered guest check from A Tattered Dream. This little butterfly and the fluff comes from A Tattered Dream, as well as this vintage playing card. And this little ivory lace behind as well. Then this tag comes from the kit, the Artymaze kit. And again, a little ticket from the kit. And then the vellum that I printed one of the pages from the kit on, and then made tags from that. The doily again, here's one of the embroidered kind of Franken tags. And then this side, again, an altered paper clip with the pink merchandise tag this time on it. And then one of the envelopes from the Artymaze kit again, and it's got the insert inside. And then this is the other side of the pocket, the little tag pocket, and I've just put one of the smaller envelopes and inserts in there. This pocket has one of my eco-dyed pieces of, this is watercolor paper. That just slides down in there. Of course, can be journaled on the back. And again, the snippet edge trim on the wallpaper. This is a little envelope that we made that this postcard came from Artymaze. And then inside, this little picture came from Artymaze as well. And it's just tucked on there with a little Tim Holtz clip that has been embellished. And that's the journal. So thank you everyone for coming along the journey with me. And especially, we had so much fun with the romper room conversation. And so I need to say hi to my friends. And first on the list is Kathy, who actually was on Romper Room. Like, she wasn't watching like the rest of us. She was actually on the show. So that was super fun to find out. So thank you, Kathy, for that. Want to say hi to Wendy and Alicia. I think that's how you say it. It's either Alicia or Alicia from the UK, and Gail. So I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Please go check out Artymaze and A Tattered Dream. They both have such beautiful stuff to work with in our junk journals. So thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.